This is Mr. V. In this video, we will simplify an expression involving division of terms that include exponents. So we want to simplify the expression 10x to the power 4, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 2, divided by 2x to the power of 3, y, z to the power of 5. Lots of powers there. And as per our strategy, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this as a fraction. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to make sure to line up the variables with each other. That will make my simplifying a little bit easier. So x's underneath each other, y's underneath each other, z's underneath each other. All right. And first we'll simplify these exponents. We'll look at that first. And 10 divided by 2, they both have a common factor of 2, which reduce to 5 over 1. Next, we're going to look at these variables. And the way that this runs is we use the index law. So when we divide two numbers with the same base, in this case, the variable that we're looking at, we can simplify that by simply subtracting their powers, as long as we're dividing with the same base. So in this case, we're going to be looking at 4 minus 3. And so when I reduce 4 minus 3, it's going to remove the term on the bottom, and it's going to reduce 4 by 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. And that's really all there is to it. Looking at the y's, we have y3 minus divided by y with nothing, and remember that means an invisible 1. And so we can cancel the y1 and reduce the 3 down to 2. And then lastly, looking at our z's, z squared divided by z5. And so here again we can reduce remove the lower term z squared and reduce 5 by 3. Just because it's in the denominator doesn't mean anything special is going on. We just leave it in the denominator. So our simplified version is 5x to the power of 1, which I'll leave out, y squared, divided by 1, which I won't write, and then z to the power of 3. Still a bit of an ugly looking expression, I suppose, but it's definitely a lot easier than what we started with. And that's exactly what we want. We want to simplify the expression, which we've just done. Fantastic.